Hi, at SmartBots AI, we've created AI agents for many industries. And what we've seen is that the people who understand how a business works, like business analysts, process owners, operations teams, are not the ones building AI agents. They know exactly how a refund should work or when a coupon needs to be offered, but they need a technical team to build their agents. So that's the gap that we set out to close. And that's why we built Epoch. Epoch is an AI agent that builds AI agents using what we have called process driven intelligence. This is a design approach where the business process is the starting point for building AI agents. Let's see this in action. So, I'm going to build a simple telecom customer support agent. Um, I'll start by just telling Epoch exactly what I want. So I say I would like to create a customer support agent for a telecom company. Uh, it should have the following processes. Say order a new connection, um, view billing details, uh, answer simple queries, and troubleshooting basic connectivity issues. And next, it's asking me to choose a personality for the agent. I think I want mine to be empathetic. And now I'm going to name it. So I'll name it something like telehelper and I'll build it. Now, as you can see, Epoch is building each of the processes for telehelper based on its understanding of what each of those processes entails. Um, it'll create this agent, the bare bones of it, and then uh, I can take a look at each of the processes, test them out, and tweak them and fine tune them as I want. There. The agent is ready, and in fact, I can start testing out the existing processes right away. But first, let's see what Epoch has created on its own. So we go to Edit Agent, and here we see under the process library, there are four processes: order a new connection, view billing details, answer simple queries, and troubleshoot connectivity issues. And when you click on them on the right side, you can see the flowchart describing each of those processes. Let's now test uh, the workflows. So I begin by saying I want to get a new connection. And uh, when Epoch built the order a new connection process, it already knew that it would have to ask for basic details like the full name and contact number of the potential customer. So it's asking for that. But there's also stuff that Epoch does not know, such as what plans my company offers. So that information is something I will have to feed into Epoch by adding it as a knowledge source. Let's see how. Now, I happen to have a Word document with details of all the plans that my company offers. I can go to knowledge sources, um, and as you can see on the right hand side, you can either directly drop PDF or doc or text files in there, or you can also try something else. Like you can provide the URL of your company website if information is already available there. So, having done that, having added information to the knowledge source, the next thing we do is to tweak the order a new connection process, uh, informing Epoch that in fact it should offer plans from the list of plans provided in the knowledge source. And based on what we've just asked Epoch to do, Epoch is tweaking the process a bit. Once it's done, you can go back and test the changes that have been made. There it says the order a new connection process has been updated. So let's test it. I'll fast forward a bit here in the interest of time. And there you can see that now the process displays all the available plans to users and asks them to pick one out of those. Now, obviously, there's a lot of improvements you can make to this process. For example, that message there seems quite verbose and it should be shorter. Um, you need to be validating the phone numbers, whether they're 10-digit numbers or not. But I would like to jump ahead and show something uh, really important, which is integrating with other systems such as Salesforce. Now, once you go under connected services and choose Salesforce, all you need to do is provide the credentials. In this case, uh, it's asking for the username, the password, and a security token. Uh, Once you provide those details, your connection is set up. Now, once the connection is set up, your process can trigger an action in the backend, such as creating a Salesforce case each time a new connection is ordered. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's update the process and we'll say in order a new connection. When a new order is confirmed, create a Salesforce case with all the relevant details. So let's see how that has worked. I've fast forwarded it a bit to the end of the user input. You can see all the details there: name, contact number, connection type, plan, address, and now what it's actually doing is creating a Salesforce case related to this new order. There, it's done. And here you can see uh, the newly created Salesforce ticket with at the bottom you can see all the details: broadband ultra plan, Meeta Vagela, 125 Raj Bhavan, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. So as you can see, Epoch is a handy tool that keeps business process owners at the center of the AI agent design process and accelerates development right at the outset. This was meant to be a brief taster of what using Epoch will be like. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I hope I've intrigued you enough and you're going to try it out for yourself.